Get ready for an incredible journey through the heart of Pakistan. Sindh, a land of rich culture and tantalizing flavors awaits. Into the bustling food markets of Sindh, where vendors craft delectable dishes that tell the story of this vibrant region. In traditional Sindh restaurants, families gather around tables filled with mouth-watering dishes, a testament to the warmth and hospitality that defines Sindh. Sindh's legendary biryani, a symphony of spices, rice and tender meat, will transport your taste buds to a world of culinary delight. In Sindh, food is more than sustenance. It's a way to connect, share stories and celebrate life with loved ones.